How to reset your iPad without the password. So if you're locked out of your iPad, I'll show you how to reset the iPad and remove the password. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your computer like this. You can then open up your Start menu. Search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window. Now click on the search box at the top of the page and type in Apple Devices. You'll then need to click on this app, Apple Devices, and then you can click on the blue Get button to install this onto your computer. Once it's finished installing, just go and open up the app. Now when you have the app open, it should look like this. We can then head over to our iPad and make sure your iPad is turned on. Now grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into the iPad and the other end into a laptop or computer. Now once it's plugged in, you need to go and press down the following keys on your iPad. So we're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button at the top of the iPad. Now continue to hold the lock screen button down until the screen goes completely black. Even when the screen's black, continue to hold the lock screen button down, and after about 15 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. Now continue to hold this button down until the Apple logo changes into the recovery page. So the recovery page should look like this. If it doesn't work the first time round, you can just repeat these steps until you see this recovery page. Now, as long as you have Apple Devices open, you should now see this pop up that says there's a problem with the iPad. So to go and remove and change the password, you can just press the Restore button, and it will say, are you sure you want to restore this iPad to its factory settings? And you can see this will remove all of your data, including the password. So if you're happy to do this, just press Restore and Update. And that's how to reset your iPad without the password.